welcome to my crib. Let's go inside. Come on. Oh, hey, there you are. As you crawl inside, you'll notice these red smiley faces. We had them painted for thousands of dollars by the world's greatest artists. You will also notice these rock-studded walls. Man, it sure makes the house more cozy. Let's go check out outside. Oh, look. As you come over here, you will notice this amazing piece of artwork. It was given to me by Barack Obama, representing exchange. If you come over here, I'll show you something even more amazing. This is the ultimate slide. It leads right into my 1,000 square foot pool. Let's go check it out. This is my pool. This is where all the fun happens in the summertime. So when it comes summertime, just come over here. We'll go have a blast. But, come check out my ride. This is the Demonator. This thing has been everywhere. We've been to Hawaii, even the Everglades. This thing has a gas tank and tires. Everything else is made for an awesome ride. But I think that's all I got to show you. So it's time for y'all to get out of here. It's time for y'all to get on out of here. I'm going to go hit up some mountains.